Hello everyone, it's Ozgun here. So it's pretty obvious from my voice. I was cold in last couple days. I was on a vacation. And when I come back home, it's not the flu, but it's the cold. It hits me, I was resting for the couple days. And actually I was planning to shoot the last part of the Big Room Techno this week. But unfortunately I needed to skip to the next week. So I just wanted to shoot a very quick video for you. It's actually another patch that I created for you, and I'm gonna keep this video very short, just gonna demonstrate the patch very quickly, and if you're ready, let's get into the tutorial. So guys, the patch is called Magic. I put this name to it. What it does, it's actually very simple. It's just doing a wave shaping, and the purpose of this patch is to make your sound, whatever sound you are using it on, to make it more fat, make it more in your face. So that's it. It's very simple patch. And before I start to demonstrate the patch, I got inspired from Frank Paul when I'm making this patch, and I'm gonna also put a link to the description of his video, the video that I get inspired on. Make a clone of this Oxford inflator VST. He was making a clone inside of the patcher, and when I watch his tutorial, he was telling that Oxford inflator is nothing other than just a wave shaper. And he says this exact patch can be recreated inside of the patcher, and he was doing that in his video. Just watch that video if you want to get the clone of the Oxford inflator. So what is Oxford inflator? When you give the effect to the sound, it makes the sound more fat. And yeah, you can just use this VST in most of the sounds. And I thought I can make some kind of patch, but with just one knob, we can make it more simple, more minimalistic. And let me show you how it works. Currently, I have a loop like that. And let me copy my patch to all of the channels. Okay, now let's check all the channels one by one, and I'm gonna give the patch. Let's start with the lead. As you see, everything gets in your face. So there is just one knob which you give the effect, and also there's the input knob which you determine the input signal, and if the things gets too loud, you have the output knob to lower the volume. And the good thing with the patch, it doesn't matter, you can give input signal as much as you can. There's hard clipping, so it's never gonna clip. It's never gonna actually clip. Let's go to the bass. Okay, let's leave it like that. As you see, you can also gain stage with the plugin. And you can clearly see that when we apply the effect, the signal gets saturated. That's why we are generating the harmonics. And it instantly sounds much more, full and richer in terms of the spectrum response. And let's check the drums. Yeah guys, so this video was a little bit quick. You can download the patch for free, the link in the description. All I ask for, just comment the video and like the video, just support how you like it. This is the best way to thank me on this page. And today that was it, guys. Hope I'm gonna get better in couple days and I'm gonna shoot the last part of Big Room Techno video. So see you on the next video. Bye bye.